18th Century Drama. Introduction. The 18th century was a fascinating period for English drama. Although it did not reach the towering heights of Elizabethan or Jacobean theatre, this century gave us a stage full of wit, satire, and social critique. The theatre became a mirror of society, reflecting the manners, follies, and politics of the age. From Restoration style comedies of manners to sentimental drama and the sparkling brilliance of Sheridan and Goldsmith, 18th century drama entertained audiences while shaping cultural tastes. It was a century where the stage became both a place of laughter and a space for moral instruction. The decline of Restoration drama. At the beginning of the 18th century, drama was still under the shadow of Restoration theatre, known for its witty, often scandalous comedies. However, changing social values, influenced by rising middle-class morality, made such bold comedies less popular. Audiences began seeking plays that carried moral lessons, reflecting the growing seriousness of the Age of Reason. Sentimental comedy and domestic tragedy. In response to the moral climate, playwrights developed the sentimental comedy, which emphasized virtue, tears, and moral lessons rather than laughter, and satire. While these plays often became overly sentimental, they mirrored the age's fascination with emotion and virtue. Alongside this, domestic tragedy emerged, focusing on middle-class characters instead of kings and nobles. These plays highlighted moral struggles within ordinary households, making drama more relatable to everyday audiences. The return of wit. Goldsmith and Sheridan. By the later part of the century, theatre regained its sparkle, thanks to brilliant comic playwrights like Oliver Goldsmith and Richard Brinsley Sheridan. Goldsmith's She Stoops to Conquer, 1773, revived the spirit of laughter with clever dialogue, mistaken identities, and lively humour. Sheridan's The Rivals, 1775, and The School for Scandal, 1777, remain masterpieces of satirical comedy, exposing the hypocrisy, vanity, and gossip of fashionable society. These plays proved that comedy could both entertain and critique, restoring wit to the stage without losing moral balance. Tragedy in the 18th century. While comedy flourished, tragedy struggled to achieve greatness in the 18th century. Many tragedies were modelled after classical forms, but they often lacked the passion of Shakespearean drama. Yet playwrights like Joseph Addison, Cato, attempted to bring political and philosophical weight to the tragic form. Domestic tragedy also gave rise to emotional stories about ordinary people, appealing to middle-class audiences. Theatre and society. Theatre in the 18th century was not only about plays, it was a social event. Playhouses became centres of culture where different classes mingled. The stage reflected contemporary debates on morality, manners, and politics. Through satire, sentiment, and spectacle, drama played a vital role in shaping public opinion and providing both entertainment and instruction. Conclusion. 18th century drama may not have rivaled the intensity of Shakespeare's tragedies, but it offered something equally valuable, a theatre that mirrored the life, manners, and values of its age. From the moral lessons of sentimental comedy to the brilliant satire of Goldsmith and Sheridan, drama evolved into a lively blend of entertainment and social commentary.